Hi everyone, let's get this day started. We're posted up at the Ottawa IKEA, and today is going to be awesome. We scored an invite to participate in the Fast Lane Productions car show out in Carleton Place. It's just a short highway drive from here, but the destination is going to be busy. The town is hosting their huge Summerfest event today, so the crowds are going to be massive. We're rolling in to meet up with the rest of the squad, park the cars, and honestly, hunt down that taco truck. So buckle up and come join us for the ride.
You're just babe. You're just your chick, babe.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh. Let's get it, let's go, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, let's get it, let's go. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Let's get it, oh, let's go. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now, on the floor. Never seen a crew so fly. Yeah, we taking over the town. Taking over. Watch them throw it back for a stack. Make it bounce for a while. See the vibe go low. Got no time for being shy. With all this paper I can buy. Wanna see you moving now. I can do this all night. Yeah, it ain't even a try. Black truck pulling up to the back door. They already know what we came for. Got the whole section going crazy, that's a fact though. She a bad thing, saw on the main floor. She already know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it, she a bad thing, and she ain't afraid to show it. Yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it, yeah she know it. She gon' make me throw some money on it. Yeah, we in the zone now, in the zone. Money on the floor now, on the floor. Never seen a crew so